What's up, everybody? Welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflict. Today we'll be looking at a brand new Arcade1 cabinet. This here is BurgerTime. Their latest retro game featuring a brand new design concept. Now, we reviewed previous Arcade1 cabinets before, and every time they come out with something new, it gets better and better. So if you guys wanted your very own, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. So let's go ahead and rewind, unbox this thing, and see what it's all about. Alright, so this is the box they sent, and it is really heavy. I mean, whoa. It did require some finesse to bring it down, so just make sure you do bring it with two people. Now, the box kind of showcases what it's all about. So, of course, you get a BurgerTime, but you also get a variety of other games, including Karate Champ, Caveman Ninja, as well as Bad Dudes. Now, this here is a unique shape of the arcade machine. It's actually got like a curvature on the top, which we haven't seen in any of the other machines as well. Now, this also includes the stand as well as a light up marquee, so it should be kind of fun to see how it all forms together. So with that being said, let's go ahead and cue up that montage and open this thing up and build ourselves an arcade machine. Alright, so this here's everything that you get. We got all our panels, we got a certificate, and an instruction guide. So you see, this here is a certificate of authenticity. That's pretty cool. And then we have ourselves our instruction guide. And yeah, pretty straightforward stuff, just kind of plug and play. So let's go ahead and cue up that montage and build ourselves a BurgerTime arcade machine. Alright, so our BurgerTime is finally done, and overall the process of it was very simple. Now, I previously built the other models as well, but this one here was a lot more refined. Now, compared to some of the originals, the materials that they're using has significantly improved. It has that nice, durable, high quality feel. Now, I really like the whole concept of it. You get 4 controls, so you can go ahead and play multiplayer, and they get a variety of different games, and you get that nice visual display. So let's go ahead and turn it on now and try it out. Alright, so check it out. So these are all the different games that we have. So we have BurgerTime, Karate Champ, Caveman Ninja, and Bad Dudes. So I kind of give you a quick little idea. You have this nice cover art of each of the games, which is really cool to see, especially compared to the older models. They did a great job with it. Alright, so this here's BurgerTime. We're going to go ahead and hit 1 credit and start. And yeah, so this here's the main game, obviously. So you just go ahead and make these burgers. You have to destroy the bad guys, and you have like a Mr. Hot Dog, a Mr. Egg, and these different characters throughout the game that you gotta destroy. And you want to make the burgers, which land on the bottom here. So let's try this out. All right, game ready, and some nostalgic fun ready to begin. Okay, already got the guy on my rear, Mr. Hot Dog. Get away! Go down! Oh my god, the controls are so difficult sometimes. But obviously it is quite sensitive. You have to do it just on the right angle, otherwise you're not going to get it. There we go. Oh. I'm going to try going all the way to the top because I think that might be a better strategy. Go down! Oh, it's not going down! Alright, well, gives you an idea what that's about. So it's definitely a fun game. It does require some finesse and some strategy, so just keep that in mind. Moving on, let's try out Karate Champ. This is also an interesting game. Alright, so this here is Karate Champ. This is an interesting concept. So you have to use both controls here. The left joystick will control the movements, and then the right joystick will control the attacks. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit single player. So this here is practice mode. So you can use the left joystick here to move the character back and forward, up and down, and the right one will go ahead for attacks. So you can do that, back kick, upper kick, stuff like that. So let's go ahead and start. All right, I don't know who that is. Okay. All right, Team Red, let's see what you got. Let's take my time on this guy. All right. So you can block the moves, you can do different defense attacks. There you go. Again. Haha! Sucker. Alright, let's see what you got here. No! You got me that time. Yes! I win! Haha! Alright, so kind of getting an idea what that game's about. I'm going to go ahead and exit out here. So that's like a karate game where you have to use technique to go ahead and defeat the other guy. Now we're going to go ahead and try out Caveman Ninja. So this is actually a pretty fun game. I'm not sure exactly how this kind of plays out, but again, you can go ahead and use 2 players for this. This is like a fun little adventure game where you just go ahead and attack these characters. Oh no! I'm getting killed by dinosaurs! There you go. Got some bombs coming from a motorcycle on a helicopter. Oh, a dinosaur! Uh-oh, looks like he ran away. Oh no, we got a giant T-Rex, holy crap! There you go. Oh no, it just bit me. Oh, I just died. All right, we gotta beat this thing. I'm sorry. All right. We need reinforcements. We got the second character there too. He's taking the heat. All right, I'm done. Yeah, we did it. All right. Ooh. It's actually kind of fun. So it's just like an adventure game where you can use 2 players and kind of battle it out. The only thing I would have a complaint about is that they don't utilize the whole entire screen. All right, lastly, Bad Dudes. So I believe this is like another similar game to the Caveman Ninja where you gotta fight and beat your way through the level. Yeah. Again, not utilizing the whole screen, which is kind of sad, but again, it's actually a pretty cool game. There's a lot of ninjas, dude. All right, we got this. Kind of reminds me of Streets of Rage. Ooh, nunchucks. I already got some nunchucks. Oh, we got a boss. How did he kill me? Take that. I'm bad. Stage 1 clear. Well, there you guys have it. This here is the BurgerTime Arcade1 cabinet. Overall, a great cabinet, nice quality. The games are pretty good. The BurgerTime game is actually kind of fun. The other ones are kind of, I mean, they're cool and all, but you know, it really depends on the person. Other than that, I think that they did a great job in terms of the build quality. I really like the way they're going with this. Definitely makes a nice nostalgic piece, and definitely a really cool looking piece to look at. Now, with that being said, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.